our 120 voltage countertop electric conveyor toaster. First off, the overall dimensions. Length, we have a total of 11.25 inches. Depth of 16.5 inches. The overall height of 16 inches. Measurement for the front chute, we have at least 7 7/16 in length. The overall height of 3 7/16. On the bottom, you have 7 different control settings for the bread that you like to insert into the chute, and for the conveyor belt to drop on the bottom or from the back. Coming here is your ETL certification and our 110, 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.